welcome back. Hope all of you are fine. Today we are going to learn the continuation of the chapter The Seasons and Time. Do you remember what you have learned? Yes, it's about seasons and the apparent movement of the sun and its result. A small area from this part is remaining. So today we are going to study that area. Uttarayanam and Dakshinayanam. Following the winter solstice, the sun sets its northward apparent movement from Tropic of Capricorn and it culminates on Tropic of Cancer on 21st June. This northward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Capricorn to Tropic of Cancer is termed as Uttarayanam. Following the summer solstice, the sun sets its southward apparent movement from Tropic of Cancer and it culminates on Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. This southward apparent movement of the sun from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn is termed as Dakshinayanam. Next important area from this chapter is rotation and calculation of time. Aren't you noticed that time in other countries is different from time in India? Let's examine the reason behind this. In the ancient period, time was calculated based on the apex position of the sun and the length of the shadow cast by it. Later on, the calculation of time became more scientific and accurate. Let's go into the details of time calculation. You know that day and night occur due to rotation of Earth. Now I will tell some facts associated with rotation. The Earth rotates from west to east. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. As the Earth rotates from west to east, the sun rises in the east. The angular distance of the Earth is 360 degree. We will get 360 longitude if we draw one longitude each for each degree of angular distance. The time required to complete a 360 degree rotation is 24 hours. On converting 24 hours into minutes, 24 into 60. That means we multiply 24 to 60. Then we get 1440 minutes. That is the time required for the completion of one rotation. Then how can we find the time required for Earth to complete the rotation of 1 degree longitude? That is, we divide 1440 by 360. Then we get 4 minutes. The time required for the rotation of 15 degree longitudinal area is 15 into 4. That is 60 minutes. That means 1 hour. In other words, 15 degree longitudinal area of the Earth passes by the sun within a period of 1 hour. As the Earth rotates from west to east, time advances towards the east and recedes towards the west. Next topic is Greenwich time and time zone. The 0 degree longitude is known as the Greenwich meridian. It acquires its name from Greenwich, the place where the Royal British Observatory is situated and through which this line passes. Time is calculated worldwide based on Greenwich line. Hence, this line is known as the prime meridian. The local time at the prime meridian is known as the Greenwich Mean Time. Based on the Greenwich meridian, the world is divided into 24 zones, each with a time difference of 1 hour. These are known as time zones. So, today we discussed about Uttarayanam and Dakshinayanam, facts associated with rotation, facts behind with rotation, Greenwich time and time zones. Hope all of you understand the topic. If you have any doubt about this session, please inform us through class WhatsApp group. Thank you.